you, so leave me alone. Hello, my name is Kharee Mitchell. My name is Kharee, but leave me alone because I do not know you. Everybody, you leave me alone. You could. You creepy.
Kharee, who's the president of the United States of America?
That's Obama.
Who?
That's Obama.
Are you trying to say Barack Obama? And who's the vice president of the United States?
That's Obama.
Barack Obama again? He's both? That's amazing. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to get my teeth and I like to slime. I like to twerk. I like to do stuff. But I didn't know how to climb up a tree. My cousin already know how to climb a tree.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old. And I don't know, so leave me alone.
What is your birthday?
It's your first.
What day?
December 31st.
December 31st.
Thank you. Good night, guys. My name is Kharee Mitchell. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, babies. Thank you, babies. Thank you.